The story, a shopping trip. My name is Anna. Today I am going shopping with my mom. We need to buy clothes and groceries. First, we go to the clothes store. I need a new dress. My mom helps me find a blue dress. I try it on in the fitting room. It fits well. I like it very much. I see a nice pair of shoes. They are red and look very pretty. I ask my mom, "How much are these shoes?" She looks at the price tag and says, "They are $20. The price is good, so we buy the shoes. Next, we go to the grocery store. We need to buy food for the week. We get a cart and start shopping. My mom has a list. First, we buy fruits and vegetables. We get apples, bananas, carrots, and tomatoes. We also need bread and milk. I find the bread aisle and pick a loaf of whole wheat bread. My mom gets a carton of milk. I like to eat yogurt, so we go to the dairy section. I choose some strawberry yogurt. My mom asks, "Do you want anything else?" I say, "Yes, can we get some cereal?" She says, "Okay," and we get a box of cereal. At the checkout, my mom pays for the groceries. The cashier is very friendly. She smiles and says, "Have a nice day." We put the bags in the car and drive home. I had a fun time shopping with my mom. We bought everything we needed.